Hey, Essentials class. Sorry I couldn't be there today. I'm unfortunately attending a conference, or fortunately, I think it's going to be a great conference. But unfortunate because I'm not there, kind of hanging out and laughing and observing the awkward silence of talking to you in your little circles on Teams. Um, but at any rate, so for today's assignment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you navigate to Planbook. Once you're at Planbook, you're going to open up this document, and it's the Insights Miranda lesson, and it's a case studies handout. And I'm going to have you guys review. There's four cases. There's the Greenwald versus Wisconsin. There's Rhode Island versus Innis. There's New York versus Quarles, and then Howes versus Fields. And after you read, basically on each one, you're going to read the facts of the case. You're going to read the questions before the U.S. Supreme Court that they had to think about, interpret, and decide on. And then you're going to read about the court's ruling. And then there are some questions under each case, involved in each case, that I want you to answer. And remember, you're going to save this and then you're going to submit it at the end of the conclusion of the unit. So each section, each case has its own facts, questions before the court ruling, and then questions to answer. So as you scroll through, you'll notice all of them are pretty much formatted the same way. And that's all you're going to do today. Keep in mind that the deadline for recovery is this Friday, December 4th at 4 p.m. If you need to recover anything, want to recover anything, assuming that it's still well within the time frame, and the policy applies for that specific time frame, you need to complete the recovery form that's found on our Teams page under the general channel as a tab, or you can email me and I will send it to you. You can also find it on my website. That's all for today. So I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you guys. Heller, have a wonderful day. And I will see you all tomorrow. I'm actually out. I'm going to be out again tomorrow for the conference. But I will see you guys through this method. I will do another recording, just a very quick one, to explain your assignment. And that's about it. Have a great day, guys. And I will see you tomorrow.